Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "we couldn't update the system reserved partition" error in Windows 11. Whether you're stuck during a Windows update, or you keep seeing this message no matter how many times you try, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you move forward without stress. First, open the Windows search bar, type command prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, you'll need to enter a few specific commands to fix the system reserved partition issue. Make sure you press enter on your keyboard after each command so it runs properly. Next, carefully type the commands provided in the notepad, one by one. These commands help free up space and repair the system reserved partition, which is usually the main reason Windows updates fail. Follow the on-screen messages closely. If you see a success message, you're on the right track. To make the process smoother, ensure your PC is plugged into power, you're logged in with an administrator account, and no updates are running in the background. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent interruptions. Once you've completed all the commands, close command prompt and restart your computer. After that, try updating your PC again through Windows Update. You should now be able to install updates without seeing the system reserved partition error. It's also a good idea to keep some free space available on system partitions to avoid this issue in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the system reserved partition error in Windows 11 and continue updating your system without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?